Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Olmstead, the sixth grade assistant principal. I would like to share with you some new things we are starting during lunch and review some expectations of the cafeteria. So reminders for the cafeteria. Please remember to clean up behind yourself and others. If you need to use the restroom or get forks or ketchup, for any reason, if you need to leave your seat, you must raise your hand and wait for a teacher to come and give you permission to leave your seat. At the end for dismissal, please wait for the teacher to come to you. We will come around with the trash cans. When we come to your table and dismiss you, at that time, you may dump your trash and head to Core 4. But please wait for the teacher to dismiss you. A reminder to be respectful of all adults. There are different teachers, different administrators working in the cafeteria to assist you. Please be respectful to any teacher, any adult that is in there. When we see consistency with all expectations, we will consider opening the cafeteria to free seating. At this time, we are still sitting with our team. We, again, are open to allowing free seating when these expectations are being upheld by all sixth graders. Cleaners, thank you so much for serving in this area. I know it's a challenging job, but we appreciate your work and effort with this. A reminder that all supplies are in the nook of the cafeteria at the very top of the cafeteria in the right-hand corner. There's a nook area that has all of the cleaning supplies, the spray bottles, the brooms, dustpans, everything you need is up there. 2 students will spray tables. 4 students will wipe tables. You will use the rod with the table wiper on it that will help wipe the tables down. 4 students will sweep the floors. So there are brooms and there are dustpans. So please collect all the dirt and trash in the dustpans, and you may dump the trash in the garbage can at the end. So we have jobs for all cleaners. Please work together as a team to leave the cafeteria as clean as we found it. This is something exciting that I want to share with you. Starting next week, we are opening the garden area for lunch. So this will be open to a select group of students. The expectations for the garden. If you are selected to go outside, you must have all of your supplies. You must have your lunchbox, your drink, your fork, whatever you need. Before you go outside, make sure you have it all. Once you head outside, find a seat and please stay seated. Wherever you choose to sit, that is your seat for the time. Please clean up behind yourself. Do not leave any trash outside. Clean up behind yourself and others. Wait for the teacher to dismiss you or bring the trash can to you. And there will not be allowed to be devices outside. So again, this is a privilege. The garden area is right outside the cafeteria. It's the outdoor eating area with picnic tables and benches. And that is where you will be eating your lunch if you win the pass for the day. Who can go to the garden area? Students who are showing charge, who are being responsible and respectful. Each homeroom teacher will choose 2 students to have the garden area for each day. Those students can then pick one buddy. So if you receive a pass from your homeroom teacher, you are allowed to choose a buddy. This buddy may be from any team, from any class. As long as you're in the 6th grade, you may choose them to be your buddy, and they can join you in the garden area during lunch. Students need to find their buddy during homeroom. This must be done before Core 1 starts. So please, if you have the opportunity to get a buddy during lunch, please find them during homeroom. You will be given a pass for that day. If you lose it or forget it, unfortunately, you lose your privilege for that day. So please hang on to your pass and do not lose it. This is going to start next week on Monday. We are very excited for this opportunity. Please consider this a privilege, and as long as you are following the rules and expectations, then we will continue to have this. Again, we have some excellent furniture outside. The expectation is that you stay in your seat, that you're not climbing on rocks, that you're not throwing food. that you are following the expectations that were just reviewed with you. And if these things are happening, we will even consider opening it up to more students. If it's raining or too cold or wet outside, we will close the garden. And if you had a pass on that day, you will be allowed the opportunity to come the next day. So again, we are very excited to offer this as a privilege for our sixth graders, and we trust you will follow the rules and expectations, and we will be able to continue to keep the garden area open. And I look forward to seeing these expectations followed in the cafeteria as well. I hope you have a great day.